You're the best.
I am the best.
Damn right you are.
I am the best.
Yeah, you are.
Chris, one of these days you will be the best.
Yeah, I'm the best in my own way.
No,
Okay.
you can't be, because I'm already the best in that way.
You're the best in my way too?
Yes.
Damn. Wow.
Oh, man.
Jack of all trades.
Yes.
Are you impressive?
Yes.
Very happy
Wait,
for you.
I'm not a jack of all trades. Because a jack of all trades is a master of none. I'm the master of all. You will learn one day, my friend. It's all a matter of perspective.
I've learned a lot already. Thank you.
Really?
Yes, master.
Like what? What is one thing you learned?